Well, okay, before we go to explore a bunch of modeling tool in Maya 2018, let me introduce you the interface. Up here, this is a menu bar, okay, which is Maya have a working module on here. Okay, Maya have a modeling menu working module, rigging, animation, effect, rendering, and customizing setting for all the menu on the Maya. Okay, if you pay attention in the menu bar, file, edit, create, select, modify, display, windows, this is the main menu bar. After windows, mesh, edit mesh, mesh tool, and else to the right. Okay, this menu bar will be show out depend on working menu module. If I set to modeling, and then after window will be show up mesh, edit mesh, mesh tool, mesh display, and else. But if I change to rigging, and then after window will be show up skeleton, menu bar, skin, deform, constraint, and else. Okay, so for animation will be key, playback, visualize, deform, constraints, mesh, and else. Okay, we back to modeling module. Okay, and then by default you can have a perspective viewport in the middle. On the left you can put outliner and navigation tool. On the right usually you can have channel box and listing of the node that you made, like if you create an object like this. Okay, let me collapse the comment box, outliner. So the rest left is only the model on the viewport. Okay, on the right I have a board that already I write the navigation, best navigation tool and shortcut. For the first thing, okay, I will show you how to navigate the navigation tool on the viewport. First, rotation view, rotation viewport, rotation world is the same. You can use hold alt, you can hold key alt and the left mouse button. See, with all direction. And then next, pan view, pan viewport or pan world, you can use alt and middle mouse button. You can drag the view from left to right, up and down. Okay, and then for the zoom view and zoom viewport, you can use alt, hold alt and right mouse button. This one is smooth zooming viewport, but you can use a scroll mouse button. But as we can know that scroll button on the mouse have a grid, so this zoom will be snapped around with the grid scroll mouse button. Okay. The next, after the viewport navigation, and the next is object navigation. If you want to select, just press key and then select the object. If you want to release, just click not in the object, whatever on the viewport, but not in the object. If you click on the object, that you will be select the object. Okay, and then next you can press W. Okay, and then if you drag on the arrowhead on the pivot, and then you can drag in one axis. Okay, if you drag on the square, you got two axes. Okay, if you drag on the middle center of the pivot, and then you will get the all uniform move on the object. Okay, that for the move W, you can press W. On the rotation, you can press E, like move tool. On the rotation tool, just click and rotate on the axis on the pivot, and you got one single rotation on the axis. If you click and drag in the between, and you will get the 3-axis rotation in the same time. Okay, the last one, the object scale. You can press R. Okay, like select and move, and rotate and move. If you drag on the head of the pivot, you can scale on a single axis. On the square, you can have scaling on 2 axes. In the middle, you can have scaling in uniform 3 axes. Okay. The last part, the last session, is the display navigation. Okay, like I write in here, wireframe display. Okay, on wireframe display, we just press 4, and you got wireframe display, 5 for shaded, okay, 6 for texture, and this scene, you can see any texture apply yet, because I didn't apply texture yet on this object. Okay, the last one is light display. You can press 7. Okay, it's going to be black and dark because I don't apply the light yet. If you create light menu and point light, okay, and drag, and then the light will be displayed on the scene like this. Okay, I will direct the light back to edit menu. Okay, now if 4 for wireframe display, 5 for setting display. If you want to use wireframe display on shaded display, you can click in here. Okay, so if you click in this icon, you can have wireframe on set display. Okay, hopefully this is clear for you to navigate the Maya viewport and the object navigation and display navigation. Thank you.